This footage of criminals stealing a police car is unlike anything you've seen before. As the scene unfolds, you're about to witness pure chaos in real time. But
oh, we can't get around them now. Oh, the juke! What a noob, what an actual noob. This guy's actually such a trash driver. That is the oldest trick in the book. This is so obvious. They're leaving this lane intentionally open, and they have like the stop sticks on like this lane. Of course they're gonna drag it across, bro. Ooh. Ooh, that is bad. Ooh, okay. It has damaged the truck as well.
You alright? This yard.
Sanchez crashed into a parked semi-truck at over 100 miles an hour, and after being removed from the wreck and taken to the hospital, he was pronounced dead. Luckily, the semi-truck driver sustained no injuries, and nobody else was hurt in pursuit.
Bro, the thing is, like, what if it didn't crash into a semi-truck? Like, what if it crashed?
what happens next will shock you. The audacity of these criminals is astounding as they make their bold move, leaving viewers on the edge of their seats.
Taking a more straightforward approach is the alleged suspect caught on camera in this next video released by the NYPD. As she approaches the cashier at this Burger King in the Grand Concourse section of the Bronx, there seems to be nothing out of the ordinary about this customer until she dives across the counter and takes a stab at the open cash register, swiping $250. Going above and beyond the call of duty, additional staff step in.
This next clip will leave you speechless. Watch as the stolen vehicle roars to life, the siren piercing through the air, a sound of impending danger.
Mingling with the store's owner, creating an impromptu game of Twister. He breaks free. He takes off towards the back of the store with no shirt and no plan. As the officer takes aim with a taser, Parasol grabs a weapon of his own. A bag of salty snacks. Realizing he's outgunned, he drops to the ground. The officer shows restraint as Brittany Burke approaches near the Pringles. After telling her to stay back, the officer calls for backup, and
You will not believe what comes next. The chase begins, and the tension spikes as the criminals navigate through traffic, evading capture with reckless abandon.
ta-da! Wiggling her one hand out of her handcuffs. Sponsler remains calm, looks around, and makes sure the officers are adequately distracted before following up her previous trick with an even crazier encore.
God dang! Hey!
As the stolen cruiser shoots back onto the main road, it narrowly misses a row of spike strips. But eventually, the chase comes to a dramatic end.
The next moment is truly unbelievable. A dramatic twist reveals an unexpected obstacle that could change everything, heightening the stakes for both the thieves and the pursuing officers.
Really hot.
Where's yours? Pick up
Mine's unlocked. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. It should be on the right. Do we have any contact talking? At least 3 occupants? Sheriff's office, is everyone okay? $63.60. I got 3 occupants unresponsive in the other vehicle.
Partner is calling 911 for you. I'll be sent to that location. Can anyone hear me?
This is where it gets completely wild. Just when you think you've seen it all, the criminals pull off a jaw-dropping stunt that defies logic. But what?
If she's right there, I don't know if you can get through that hole. Alright, we got the roadblock, medics are on the way. Unresponsive.
Yeah. I can't get to the one on the right though.
Okay. Little ways. They're gonna have to chop it out. You okay? Okay. Sit down if you need to. Sit down if you need to. You're not hurt, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But what happens next will shock you. As police close in, tensions flare, and the situation escalates to a shocking climax that no one anticipated.
Preparing to box him in.
Justin sticks. There's Ramos.
This next clip will leave you speechless. The chase takes an unforeseen turn, showcasing the lengths these criminals are willing to go to escape justice.
That's crazy. Going like a mine. We got a handle backward, short sleeve with a black mask on. Black hat backwards, black shirt sleeve.
You will not believe what comes next. A stunning act of desperation unfolds, and the fate of the stolen police car hangs in the balance, as the
Can we get you off the freeway? We just want to get you off. You're trespassing right now being on the freeway, okay? We're trying to help you out by not doing anything else. We'll happily give you a ride off. You can take it anywhere you want. You will not take me I mean, the alternative is, we don't want to put you in handcuffs or anything.
He's refusing to get a ride from us off the freeway, but he also doesn't want to walk off the freeway.
We would rather just have you just go in our car and get you somewhere safe, anywhere you want. If you want something warm, we can get you something warm. If you want something to drink, we can get something to drink. But we just can't have you on the freeway. You are mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at you. We're just trying to get you safe. We won't make you go in the car, but we'll allow you to get in our cars, and we can take you anywhere.
Or if you don't really want to ride with us, you can walk the truck, keep your right shoulder, and you can continue walking off the right side, and we'll follow you to make sure no one hurts you.
As the final confrontation arrives, the tension reaches its breaking point. Subscribe to Extreme Real Life Moments for more moments like this as the thrilling saga concludes.
The only issue is that Sanchez is a better driver than they realized.
Coming at you, Jay. First car.
Coming up on stop sticks.
Whoa.
You missed him. Continuing eastbound.
The drift control.
I'm coming up right now, and I'll come up behind him.
Bro, these stop sticks are useless. They're actually useless. It's either these police officers are so trash at like throwing them. Wait, they don't even stretch across the entire road. They gotta redesign these stop sticks to make them like longer. Because of course, like even I could just drive around them. Man, this is like a Sunday drive. You just drive around them.
Sanchez was able to avoid the stop sticks not once, but twice, and continues to speed down the freeway at increasingly dangerous speeds. However, the cops know exactly where he's going, and if they keep at it, this method will eventually work. What they seem to forget, though, is that taking out a car's tires at 120 miles an hour is an incredibly dangerous feat in its own right.
You got sticks set?
Oh, we can't get around them now. Oh, the juke! What a noob, but what an actual noob. This guy's actually such a trash driver. That is the oldest